everybody, this is Maria Hidos, and welcome to yet another video. This is more of a tech kind of video, unboxing as you can tell from the title. So before I actually begin the actual video, I want to apologize to all of you viewers right now. The way I look, I literally just woke up, and today I believe, like, my job actually just left me a voicemail on my phone. So I don't know if I might go to work, guys, I might not. Plus, I've got a lot of other stuff that I need to accomplish. I actually have to take a final exam for my class, so I have stuff I need to do. So I'm like, you know what? Let me get the video done and over with this morning while I have a few minutes available. So, yeah. So do apologize if I look like bullshit, guys. I'm really sorry. Like I said, I just want to just turn on the camera. I'm actually recording from my MacBook Air so I can edit the video directly, and stuff like that. So with that being said, let's go ahead and make this video. So anyways, the first thing so basically here's what the product is. I promised in my wireless charging video, which I'm probably going to make after this using my iPhone 8, I'm going to go ahead and explain to you guys. So if you guys recall the wireless charger video, I actually mentioned in the comments section or in the description that if I get AirPods, I will make sure I get it on video for you guys. And so I actually had some store credit and stuff like that. So I was able to purchase the AirPods. And if you guys are wondering, Maria, why did you buy the AirPods? It's really not necessary, for a couple reasons. First of all, when I drive, I usually have to have my phone on me, just because of my job or just, I just need to have my phone on me. So this is actually a really good idea because what I usually do is take the wired headphones and I wear those. And if a police car comes, if police is over there and they see me with those, there is a chance that I could get caught by police. And I honestly do not appreciate that, because tickets could cost a lot of money and I'm in literally no mood for that. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to get the AirPods because I had some store credit. If you guys are wondering where did you get those from, I got them from Best Buy because literally I had store credit from the past. So I decided to use the gift card up because, yeah, why not? So anyways, if you are an aviation fan, and I say these in all my tech videos, if you're an aviation fan and you do not care about tech, then this is probably not the video for you. So maybe at the end of this video, I'm going to explain to you guys what is going to happen with my aviation part of the channel. So if you're interested, do stay tuned. But anyways, let's go ahead and get on with the video. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the second part of the video. So today, obviously, we're going to unbox the Apple AirPods. These are actually the first generation, believe it or not. And like I said, that's what I wanted. I don't want anything fancy or anything. I just need the AirPods concept. A friend of mine actually told me to go to Wish and they sell these things for like, I don't know, like $15. And I actually said that's probably counterfeit or they're not great. So, I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to go pay like $10 on wish.com just to like, you know, get fake AirPods. So that's when I'm like, you're better off getting the actual product just to make sure that, it does what you want it to do. So, but anyways, I don't want to waste too much of your time and I don't want to waste mine because I got a lot of stuff I need to do. I got to reply back to a phone call. This is one of the reasons I got AirPods. But anyways, with that being said, let's do it. So I'm going to read the back of it. It says AirPods with charging case. It actually says it right here. I don't know if my camera can catch that or not. So basically it should come with a thing to charge it with because, yeah, all I have now is a wireless charger for my iPhone. So, but anyways, and then basically on the sides here it has the Apple logo, and then up here it has AirPods, which I think is cool. And then over here, I gotta cover this up so you guys don't see any information, but this is like, tells you compatible with iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, iOS 10. It even works with the Apple Watch, which I think is pretty cool. I do own the Apple Watch, believe it or not. And I've had it for quite a while. But anyways, that's literally it. And then the other side is just the Apple logo. So anyways, let's go ahead and move the camera far. And I will tilt the camera down. Alright, so just so you guys can see, I'll get out my unboxing knife. And we're going to get this guy open. I know you guys can't see me tilt it down. Oh, there we go. So just so you guys can see, here we go. And like I said, guys, a lot of my family members, they mentioned that they actually have the AirPods. So it's just, I've been waiting for quite a long time to get the Apple AirPods. So it's just like, you know what? Let's get them, Ooh. And we're actually going to set it up in this video, guys, believe it or not. So here we go. For the first time, y'all get to see what's in this box. Here we go. In three, two, one. Here it comes. Very slowly. Very slowly. It's trying to come out. Ooh, I'm so nervous, guys. Really? Really? That was terrible. All right, here we go, guys. So we'll actually start from what's in here real quick. So in here, it even so in here you get like installation and stuff. So what it says is you gotta take that cable thing and plug it into the thing. And it tells you if it's fully charged or not. And then this just says warranties and stuff like that. Stuff that really a lot of people just don't care, but here's the paperwork. I'm sure that you guys probably don't care about it either. So yeah. So I'm just gonna try to shove this back in here real quick. I gotta hurry because I gotta respond back to that phone call. Alright, and here's the product that we paid for, guys. Apple AirPods. Here we go. And is there anything in here? There sure is. Alright, guys, so basically, I'm glad I looked on the bottom here because there is a charging cable. But you need one of those Apple power bricks, which I've got like 3 trillions of those, quite literally. So it's not like, yeah, I don't know. I've got 3 trillions of those, so I really don't need it. The little Apple power brick. So I'm going to probably charge these AirPods while I eat breakfast and while I return a phone call back. So I'm just going to, yeah. Alright, so this is garbage. But anyways, here's the cable. So basically what you want to do is you plug it in down here, and that's what we're going to end up doing and set up. Alright, and then you just, oh my god, I love that satisfying sound. Oh my god, this is too satisfying. Ooh. Aren't they tiny? Guys, the thing I like about these, whenever I go out, guys, like, wherever I go, like, to work or anything, like, basically, I will definitely, keep them in this carrying case, because these are literally very small, but I really love these being wireless, because, like, yeah, then I don't have to worry about, like, losing them. Well, not losing them, but you know, because back in the day, I'd have to carry wired headphones with me, and it would be like it would just be in the way, like in my bag. Like I have a small bag that I carry with me, and it would literally just get in the way, guys. So this is just perfect that it's wireless. You know, everything for me now is wireless. Maria finally came into 2019 because before everything was literally old school and wired. So it's actually pretty neat, guys. Pretty neat. So here's my cable. I'm just going to put that on the side. I'm going to take my garbage and put it on the side because I think I'm going to pair it up. Alright, so I'm bringing the camera closer. Sorry, guys. So we're basically going to pair it up with this iPhone right here. So I'm really nervous. Because I honestly don't remember. My phone tried to recognize it. Oh, it's recognizing it. AirPods. AirPods, it's recognizing it. My phone is. Okay, so I need to charge. The case is 81%, the AirPods are 82. I'm going to fully charge them, though. I think they're already connected. I think they're already connected, believe it or not. Yeah, all I did was just hit connect, and it should be connected to the iPhone. But yeah, let's test them out. I'm so nervous. Oh my god. Whoa, baby. It just went boop. I think I'm gonna play some music. Look, guys, look what happens. It has a picture of headphones. Do you see it where it says 37%? It's connected. So let me test it by listening to some music. Ooh, wow, I got a lot of duplicates here. What the heck? Sorry, I'm gonna pick a random song that I want to hear. And I turn up the volume via iPhone. Cool. I can't tell you what song I'm playing because it could be copyright. Sorry, guys. Look, guys. This is so cool. I like wireless. And look what it says, Maria's AirPods. See that? This is so cool, guys. That was so cool. Okay, I better stop. Guys, I'm sorry, but that was actually pretty amazing. So what happens when you actually take out the AirPods? The iPhone recognizes it and it says, okay, she doesn't want to use her AirPods anymore. So you take them and you put them back. And then basically, the phone comes back to normal. So the headphone signal is not even on. You know how amazing that was to hook them up, guys? And I love this convenient little case. I'm going to go ahead and I'm actually going to give this a full charge, guys, because I want to make sure that I have full battery before I actually take them out of the house for the first time. So I'm going to go ahead and charge them, guys. So that's basically set up. Same thing with my Apple Watch. When I try to pair it with this guy, like this is an iPhone 8. And basically, it recognized it right away that there was an Apple Watch wanting to get paired up. So, like I said, guys, I really am happy, and finally have the AirPods that everybody in my family almost literally has. Um, so like my cousins have them and stuff like that. They asked like one time we were like talking on the text message, and we were just talking, and my cousin's like, hey, I have AirPods. Do you have it? And I'm like, no. He's like, you should get them. They're so cool. So I'm like, you know what? Yeah, I better get it because my cousin kind of motivated me too. So it's really nice, guys. So when a family member motivates you, it's like you have to get it too. But I'm really excited to finally own these guys. And like I said, I love how they're very small and they can fit in any compartment inside my bag. I can even bring them in my school bag. Whenever I'm driving, just put them on me and just, when I'm done, put them back in the little charging case. And I just think it's really neat, guys. So anyways, then I'm gonna make two separate videos. So the next one is gonna be, I promised you guys that I would do a review on my wireless charger. So that's gonna be my next video and stuff like that. So basically, I'm just gonna tell you guys in a nutshell quickly about my wireless charger. So far, I love using the wireless charger for the iPhone. Um, I think it's pretty neat, guys. I really do think it's pretty neat. It's just easier than having all these wires and stuff like that. I know that my AirPods won't do that, but the newer generation AirPods will wireless charge, but I'm like, I really don't care. Just for that, I can just use my charging station over there and just charge them. So yeah, I really love wireless charging, and if I'm ever up like playing with my phone, watching a Netflix video or a YouTube video late at night on via AirPods or something like that, um, I think it's a good idea for me to just, because sometimes I could be watching Netflix and all of a sudden, oh, I'm getting sleepy. And then I'm like, okay, I suddenly wake up after like 5 minutes. I could just throw my phone on the wireless charger, guys, and I don't have to worry about turning on the flashlight at night, trying to find the ports and stuff like that. I just think it's like super, super cool. I'm literally in love with, this wireless stuff because wireless actually makes it funner, Back when I heard for the first time that wireless charging existed with iPhones and wireless AirPods, I started freaking out. I'm like, what is this? Why are we, how's wireless, safe and stuff like that? But then, after seeing other people do it and stuff like that, I realized, what? It's really cool. I really want to be wireless and I love it so much, welcome to 2019, Maria. Anyways, guys, I really, really got to end the video here. And as I promised you guys, aviation fans, if you happen to be watching this video, unfortunately, guys, I have been just too busy, and I will continue to be busy with my family, with my job, and my life. So, guys, unfortunately, maybe the end of the year, but the summer, I don't think I'm gonna be able to go to this airport and film for you guys. Um, I can, like I said, I can't say I'm not gonna do it, but I just, for going forward for the month of April and May, guys, I will not be able to go to Aurora Municipal Airport. I'm just too damn busy. I just don't have time, guys. Okay, but I'm gonna try in the summer to go, but I can't make promises because if I promise you guys June 11th, I'm gonna go to the Simply Fly barbecue. Probably I'm not going to go to it this year because I'm not into aviation anymore. I quit and I've switched my major, but we'll have to see, guys, okay? I will let you know for sure if I'll be able to go. But any product reviews, tech reviews, those things, I will definitely do that. I don't buy tech all the time, but another requested video has been on this case right here that I currently have on the iPhone 8. I know that a lot of people said that they really, really want me to make a video on it. So we'll probably end up making a video like another time because I gotta go eat breakfast. Literally, I just woke up. So what's gonna happen is I'll make a video on that. And also another upcoming video that's tech is this guy right here. I've owned, like, today's day one of owning the AirPods. So I'm gonna make a video like after owning the AirPods for about a week. I'll make a video and I'll tell you guys how I personally feel about the AirPods and stuff like that. So good things are to happen. So those are going forward kind of videos. So I do apologize, aviation fans. I will try my best to go to the airport as soon as possible, and I will try to keep you guys updated on my life. Until then, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, go ahead and smash the thumbs up button. And please, no rude comments, guys. I know you won't do that, but there might be somebody who might just shoot a rude comment. Please don't shoot any rude comments. I know I look like bullshit. I am aware of the situation, and I'm about to go right now and get ready for the day. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on AirPods, go ahead and leave them in the comments section. If any of you are wondering price-wise how much these AirPods were, Best Buy actually had them on sale for 149 bucks. If I were to go like to Walmart or something or Target, I think they're like 167 or 100, I don't know, something like that. So I don't know why Best Buy had on sale, maybe because it's the first generation or something like that. Um, but yeah, so I was able to get it for $147, and actually I didn't even pay much at all because of store credit. I believe I only paid like, I think like 70 bucks or something for it, only because the store credit wasn't enough, guys. But like I said, I did not pay full price for these, so I kind of got free AirPods. I paid a little bit more than my friends did at Wish, but whatever. At least I got Apple. So with that being said, guys, I have to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye.